Before going to bed tonight, implement this practice for the next 14 days and watch your entire life change. Before bed, ask yourself 3 questions. 1, what am I grateful for today? What am I grateful for? And it can be big things and small things. It can be like, I'm grateful that I have a roof over my head. I'm grateful for the air that I'm breathing. Second, ask yourself, what did I do right today? What went right? What went right in your life? And the third thing that you ask yourself is, what am I excited about tomorrow? What am I excited to experience? What am I excited to create? What am I excited to do? And when you ask yourself these 3 questions before going to bed, you sleep with this positive energy that builds up and goes over to the next day. And next thing you know, you start experiencing things in your life that you want, that you crave, versus things that you don't want. So try it out and watch your life change.